Morning everyone, it's still dark outside. My dog is sleeping on the couch. Frankie's still in Utah, so I'm home alone, but I am about to get ready for my first day back at work. I'm so excited. It's like a shoot travel day. We're shooting in Laguna Beach, so it's gonna take me a minute to get there, so I have to leave early. So I had to wake up at 5-ish today. I actually woke up at like 4:45 just to make sure I had time to do everything. I made a fresh big cup of coffee, and they want like super natural hair and makeup, so I'm just gonna do like mascara, blush, concealer, brush up my eyebrows, and then throw a few waves in my hair. Okay guys, the lighting's a little bit yellow, but just finished up natural makeup, mascara, brows, blush, bronzer, concealer, and then honestly kind of my face, like in real life it doesn't look so bad, but in the camera for some reason my face looks a lot lighter than my body. But I feel like it's normal. Maybe I'll add a tiny bit more bronzer. And then I'm just wearing like a sweatsuit because I like to have a zip sweater if I'm shooting swim, because it gets cold and like in between shots, and you can throw it on. You don't have to have a hoodie that will like mess up your hair and makeup and all that. And I just have a little tank underneath my sweats, and yeah, I'm gonna put my coffee in a thermos, and then I'm going to like pack some snacks for the ride home, because I know they said they're gonna have some snacks there, but I know like the ride home is gonna be like almost 2 hours, so I'm definitely gonna get hungry. And then I need to walk the dog and put his food out. I'm gonna bring like a little protein shake. This one's my boyfriend's, but this is all I have. And I'm gonna bring some fruit and some nuts as well for some snacks. Also bringing a jacket. This is just like a little puffer from Revolve, because I have a feeling it's gonna be freezing. I just walked with the doggy for like 10 minutes and it was already super cold. And by the beach it's always windier. So I'm heading out right now. I put his food out. I don't know if he's gonna eat, but it's 6:36, and I am gonna grab some gas. It says I'm gonna be pretty early, but that's okay because you have to account for traffic and finding parking and getting gas and all that. So better early than late. You don't have to look no further. Hey guys, we just wrapped. I am just like driving. I think I'm like so torn. I can't tell if I want to just get home as fast as possible and like maybe stop for like a tea because it was freezing on the beach, and then go home, or there's like the best acai bowl place ever on this road, and I feel like that would be so good. Maybe I'll get one. I don't know, but I feel like it's gonna take a long time. And I feel bad for Danky. I kind of want to like get home. I don't know. We'll see. We had such a good day. It was so fast. It was literally like 2 hours, not even. The team was so sweet. It was just like the creative director slash like the designer and the photographer. He was so great at giving direction. She was so sweet. The suits were cute. I felt super comfortable. It was freezing cold. That's the only thing, because it was like windy and cloudy at first. Now the sun came out, and it honestly, like, I'm so excited to see the photos. It was just such an easy, chill day, and it's like my first job that I've worked with my new agency, Wilhelmina, and just like 10 out of 10 experience. So great to like be working again, and it felt so good to be in front of the camera. I've been testing and like doing my own shoots and like working freelance essentially while I wasn't signed, but it's really nice. It just feels like so good to be back and doing what I love to do. So such a great day, so much fun, so quick and easy. So we've decided on acai bowl. I figured I'm here, I may as well go. I'm never here, and these bowls are bomb, so treat yourself. And I'm not honestly even hungry, but I feel like I will be with an hour and 30 minutes drive. Somebody's watching me vlog, which is really embarrassing, but what are you gonna do? my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited to eat this. And it's nice that I feel like I can kind of eat this while I'm driving. Like, it's not gonna be that annoying. This was a good idea. I'm glad I did this. And I am hungry now. So it's 11:30. I'm gonna get home by like 1-ish. So this is gonna be great. Dude, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. We just got back inside from the walk. Sorry, my AirPods are in. But I ordered stuff off Amazon and H&M Home. The first thing from Amazon I actually unpackaged last night. I got a new band for my Fitbit. I think this is way cuter. I was always like so annoyed whenever I accidentally left it on in like photos or videos. And I had this like annoying black, just weird strap on my arm. But I love to like track my steps. I think it's so much fun. Actually, my favorite thing is that it tracks your sleep. And Monica and I send it back to each other like all the time. Like we take screenshots of our sleep schedules and like show our sleep scores to each other. But anyways, it looks pretty if you like honestly even just tuck in this and wear it like that. Anyways, I ordered from H&M Home. I didn't get much, but it's my first time ordering from them, and honestly, it came super fast. I don't know where they ship out of because I thought that H&M Home was only a European thing. Oh shizzle, I kind of opened this box a really stupid way. Hold on. There we are. Okay. My dog is like, what the heck is going on? We have a few boxes here. There's this little one, which is, this is so cute. I love this. So I got this little like sugar jar, and it comes with a spoon, and I have all my little like things over there, so I figured I could put my, since I've been putting, oh my god, I put the lid on upside down. I'm such a moron. It looks like this. I feel like Winnie the Pooh would have this. What else did I get? I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh, this is cute too. This is super random, but I wanted to start making soft-boiled eggs. In Russian culture, it's like something we have all the time. I feel like it's a very European thing. We don't really do soft-boiled eggs very often in America, that from my experience. But I thought it'd be nice to have like a little thing, like you hit it with a spoon and you eat it, and you have your little piece of bread and your black coffee. Like, I feel like it'd be so nice. So yeah, I got this little guy because I thought he would be cute. And then this is what I really wanted. This is the reason why I ordered this. I think it's so beautiful. It's so sick. It's like fluted glass. It's kind of like the cups I'm about to show you in a second. But I'm gonna put this on my dining table, and I need to go to Trader Joe's and get some new flowers for it. But I thought it was super pretty. So yeah, that's all I got from H&M Home Store. Okay, I just filmed the entire freaking haul from Amazon. Monica just called me, we're on FaceTime, so I'm hauling for you and for her. But my address was in the freaking thing the entire time. I left the stupid box with my whole address displayed. You don't know what kind of people are out there. So anyways, we're gonna rapid fire this one. First thing I got were these New Mood supplements. This has like valerian, chamomile, lemon balm, L-tryptophan, 5-HTP, vitamin D. It has a bunch of stuff. It has like 10 different supplements. And it has the same amount of 5-HTP almost as I was taking in the regular supplements. Now my dog is playing with this toy. What else is new? But I really wanted to try these because it has all the other stuff that's good for serotonin production, keeping you calm, and promoting sleep. This sounds like an ad. It's obviously not. I paid for this on Amazon myself. But I did have very vivid dreams last night, and I have no idea if this has to do with this or the fact that I was maybe stressed about going to my job today or like what, but like I like woke up this morning and I had to call my mom because I had like a really bad vivid dream. But anyways, we'll see. I'll keep taking them. We'll see how it goes. But I did fall asleep really quickly, so that's good. Then I got this pack of 8 glass straws. I thought these were pretty. It has like what's it called, some of the bent ones and some of the straight ones. And then to go with that, I got these glasses which match, literally it's like a mini version of this vase, which I thought was pretty. And I also got this book, which was like legit, oh my god, it's so heavy actually, and it was legit $100, but it's so beautiful and I'm gonna use it forever. So I've been wanting it for a long time, and I'm excited to use it as a nice piece of decor and for something for my guests to flip through when they come over. I actually can't with this rat tail. I think I'm gonna do like a little leg, like body weight leg workout, maybe with like light weights or something. Nothing crazy. Because my back kind of hurts, it's a little sore, so I don't want to like hurt my back. Okay guys, I just got back from my workout, and honestly I've been vibing downstairs in my downstairs gym. Like, it's been super fun for me to like go down there and like blast my own music and just like do my thing. Is anyone else obsessed with clementines? In our house, Frank and I go through these things like crazy. They're so good, they taste like candy. They're amazing. Underrated fruit. Okay guys, I just got ready. I was so flustered. You want to hear a funny story? I literally went outside to walk my dog in this dress that I'm about to show you with sweatpants over it, a puffer jacket. My dog like freaked out on the neighbor or somebody and like started wrapping me around with his leash, Tasmanian deviling me. I'm like flailing everywhere. My freaking dress comes out of my sweatpants. Now I'm just wearing like a midi dress with like a red midi dress with sweatpants. I'm literally like, his leash is wrapped around him, it's wrapped around me. I'm like about to fall on my ass. Meanwhile, like full makeup and everything. Oh my god, it was just like it was one of those moments where I was like, dude, I need to like sit down and take a breath. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay, but I'm like seriously obsessed with this dress. I will link it down below. It's from NBD, from Revolve, but it is just, it's everything. It's everything. Morning friends, we are in Santa Monica now. I'm with my little Mariana, and we're going to another Mariana's coffee shop event for Summer Fridays. We are super excited. I look bizarre. My lips look very pink. I don't know why they look so pink. Oh crap. Perhaps they're chapped, but oh, last night was a doozy. It was one for the books. Quinn and I had a blast. We stayed out later than I would have loved to, but you know what? It is what it is. And now we're here and feeling tired, but it was worth it. We had a great, grand old time. And now I still get to hang out with my other little bestie and have a day. So I'm in a freaking chipper ass mood today. Super excited.